Welcome to Design, Draw, Create. Keep watching to see how to make this happy birthday card. Start by drawing out the design in pencil. I've linked a template below to make that really easy for you. Once you're happy with the design, start by outlining everything with your gold pen or whatever color pen you've chosen. As you can see, I started by kind of outlining the very edges of the banner just to give myself a reference point for drawing the rest of the lines. And then I flipped the card so I could draw the straight lines of the banner more easily. And then once you have the banner outlined, you need to fill in kind of the back pieces or the pieces that you want to look furthest away to give it that 3D depth and look. And then the final step is to write out the words inside the banner. So you can leave the card like this, or if you wish, you can add some rhinestone accents at either end. First, I placed them on the card, and then when I was happy with them, I glued them on. Thanks for watching.